Hello, welcome. This will be an extremely quick update. Hurricane Melissa is now a Category 5, extremely dangerous Category 5. Yesterday, when we talked, it was a Category 4, so now it's 175 mile per hour Category 5 to the south of Jamaica, and it's about to make landfall later tonight into tomorrow. Should make official landfall like early morning hours around Jamaica, and but conditions are rapidly deteriorating around southern Jamaica and most of the island. And this hurricane has beat the record for having the driest eye in recorded history in any tropical cyclone. This is because of the powerful updrafts in the eyewall of Hurricane Melissa, forcing massive sinking motion in the eye, and this sinking motion dries things up and compresses the air. So, and this is because of the storm's extremely low central pressure, basically creating a vacuum in the center of the storm. So this hurricane continues to beat records and impress us, but this also means it's extremely life-threatening. So please stay safe in those areas. Let's see the key messages for Jamaica, because this is a life-threatening situation. Just so you have an idea, it's now the strongest hurricane in this season so far in the Atlantic. So it beat the other two one Category 5s that we had. So this is officially the strongest now, and it continues to strengthen because it's still over warm water. So let's see. Jamaica, do not venture out of your safe shelter. Catastrophic, life-threatening flash flooding and numerous landslides are likely today through Tuesday. Catastrophic winds in the eyewall have potential to cause total structure failure, especially in high elevation areas tonight and early Tuesday. These result in extensive infrastructure damage, long-lasting power communication outages, and isolated communities. Life-threatening storm surge and damaging waves are expected along the southern coast today and Tuesday. So please stay safe, especially the storm surge might cause an extensive coastal flooding, and please stay in the safest place possible. This is not the time to venture out. It's already on your doorstep. So Haiti and the Dominican Republic still some catastrophic life-threatening flash flooding and landslides are expected across southwestern Haiti, southern spots of the Dominican Republic for midweek. In Haiti, extensive infrastructure damage and isolated communities is still likely. Tropical storm conditions expect late Tuesday into Wednesday. And in eastern Cuba, heavy rain, life-threatening, potentially catastrophic flash flooding landslides expect beginning today, life-threatening storm surge and damaging winds late Tuesday and Tuesday night. Preparations in Cuba should be rushed to completion, and in the Southeast Bahamas and Turks and Caicos, hurricane conditions and still some life-threatening storm surge and heavy rain fall likely on Wednesday. Residents should follow advice given by local officials. Make sure to have preparations by tomorrow night, by Tuesday night. So please, please stay safe in those areas. As you can see here, let's see, not this one. There's like the structure of this is simply insane. You can see almost clear eye there. So let's see like the short wave as well. So please stay safe. And this one is the one I want. So there's extremely high cloud tops, some very fierce convection in the eye wall. So please stay safe. Let's make sure we see the official track for like Cuba and the other areas. Shows here like some hurricane warnings are in Cuba, some hurricane watches the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, and still tropical storm warnings in Haiti and other spots central Cuba. So please stay safe. This will be a life-threatening storm for both Jamaica and Cuba in those areas, and potentially the strongest hurricane to strike Jamaica in recorded history, like in the past century. So please stay safe and like do everything you can at this moment to stay safe. Don't venture out. Life-threatening landslides, flash flooding, and winds are expected. Be smart and stay in a strong place. Please stay safe. So Warn others will have a more detailed video likely by like Wednesday. So this will be already passing over Cuba or even the Bahamas by Wednesday, but we'll do our best. So this is our final warning for all of those areas. Please stay safe. And just checking these rainfall totals again, they still say up to 30 inches in Jamaica, like 500 millimeters. Don't trust these models here because they only show 300. I think we will get 4 to 500 in a few areas, but the European does show some 330 in Cuba that would already be catastrophic and still in southern Haiti. So please stay safe and some heavy rain locally in Central America as well. So please be careful, Bahamas and all of those areas. And since the winds are 175 mile per hour sustained winds, the wind gusts might be higher than 180, 90 mile per hour. That means like 270 km per hour wind gusts or even higher. So please stay safe and warn others. And don't trust these weather models here much because they don't know the true strength of this. So please stay safe.